explanation of Onpassive's software as a service, SaaS model. If you're a digital business owner or exploring online earning opportunities, you've likely heard of Onpassive. It is an advanced technology company aiming to offer business solutions through an artificial intelligence-based SaaS model in the near future. In this video, we will explain Onpassive's SaaS model in detail so that you can understand how it works and how it could benefit you. What is SaaS, software as a service? SaaS is a software delivery model in which the software is hosted on the cloud and users access it through the internet on a subscription basis. In this model, users don't need to install or maintain the software. They simply pay a subscription fee to access the services. Examples include Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, Zoom. All of these platforms are excellent examples of SaaS, where users pay a monthly or annual fee to use the software. Onpassive's SaaS ecosystem, Onpassive, has developed a complete digital ecosystem called OES, Onpassive Ecosystem, a platform where all SaaS products will be available in one place. Users can access various services through this platform and automate their businesses. In today's digital world, business methods have drastically changed. Where it once required opening a physical store, hiring employees, and spending heavily on marketing, now one can run a business from anywhere with just a laptop and internet, thanks to modern technology, especially SaaS. Let's explore Onpassive's SaaS model in detail. What is Onpassive's SaaS model? How does it work? How will it benefit individual users and business owners? Is it truly a reliable and sustainable system? How the SaaS model works. Software runs on the cloud. Users pay a subscription fee. All updates, security, and maintenance are handled by the company. This means easier usage, lower costs, and global access. To join Onpassive's SaaS model, you need to go to their website and choose a subscription plan. Once subscribed, you gain access to all their products. How Onpassive's SaaS model benefits businesses. Low-cost start. No need to purchase separate software. Just subscribe and use. Recurring income model. Since it is subscription-based, the company gets stable monthly or yearly income. Perfect for remote work with all tools on the cloud. Businesses can be managed from anywhere. Automated marketing AI finds customers, saving time and money on marketing. Scalable. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a team, SaaS works for all scales. 3 pillars of Onpassive's SaaS model: AI-driven. Automation. Every tool is powered by AI to automate user tasks, all-in-one ecosystem: website, email, social media, HR, CRM, analytics, all available on one platform. Subscription plus referral. Model users subscribe and can also earn commission by referring others. Onpassive introduces itself as an AI-driven SaaS company aiming to provide automated digital tools to make business operations effortless. According to Onpassive, it offers over 50 SaaS tools including ONET, social media platform OConnect, AI-powered video conferencing tool like Zumo Staff, HR management tool for leave, attendance, payroll, OMail, AI email system that auto-sends, tracks, and responds to emails, OCreate, website builder using drag-and-drop OTracker, website analytics for better business decisions. All these services run on the cloud and follow the SaaS model. Subscribe and start using immediately without installations or an IT team. Onpassive's AI-powered SaaS Onpassive claims to go beyond SaaS. It provides AI-powered SaaS, meaning websites update automatically. Customers are automatically brought to your business. Emails are auto-sent to target audiences, sales, And commissions are generated automatically. That's why it's also called a self-running business system. Key advantages of Onpassive's SaaS model: cost efficiency. No need for expensive hardware or software installation. Easy accessibility tools are scalable for businesses of all sizes. Automatic updates. Always access the latest features without manual upgrades. 4.7. Availability. Cloud-based services allow access from anywhere, anytime. Faster implementation. No complex setup. Just create an account and start. Reduced. IT overhead. Installation, updates and maintenance are Onpassive's responsibility. Automatic backup and recovery reduces data loss risks with easy recovery options. Access to latest features. Users always have access to newly added features without extra cost. Is Onpassive's SaaS model reliable? This is a frequently asked question. While Onpassive's SaaS model is innovative, it's a relatively new platform. Therefore, building user trust may take time. However, if the company launches all tools on time, provides excellent support, focuses on actual service delivery along with referrals, then Onpassive has the potential to become a successful SaaS platform. Role of AI in Onpassive's SaaS model. All Onpassive tools are built with artificial intelligence, AI, enabling business processes to be automated. Better decision-making through analytics and business intelligence, personalized customer experiences, automated tasks in marketing, sales, and customer service. Why is Onpassive's SaaS model essential for businesses? In today's digital era, businesses need fast, secure, and cost-effective solutions. Onpassive's SaaS model provides a competitive edge in the market, simplifies and automates business processes, enables quicker and smarter decisions using data, encourages teamwork and remote work. Culture. Onpassive SaaS model, a step toward a new digital world. Onpassive's SaaS model presents a modern AI-driven digital world where businesses run automatically, marketing is automated, income continues without traditional office complexities. If you have a digital business mindset, are willing to learn and ready to build a team, Onpassive's SaaS model could be a great opportunity for you. But remember, every success requires research, hard work, and time. Onpassive's SaaS model offers AI-based solutions that help run businesses automatically, efficiently, and cost-effectively. If you want to align your business with the needs of the digital age, this could be the ideal platform for you. The model not only provides businesses with modern software, but also offers affiliate earning opportunities. Subscribe to Onpassive's products, place them in the marketplace, and the rest is handled by the company. You receive commission. It saves both time and money. So if you want to see your business succeed in the digital world, Onpassive's SaaS model might just be your best choice. Become a part of this innovative platform today and take your business to new heights. Designed for modern business needs, Onpassive's SaaS model offers affordable, advanced software, automates digital workflows, enhances business intelligence and customer experience with AI, ensures data security,